After buying several products, you may experience, like me, these nasty adverts that pop out nearly every day and nobody asked you before if you really like them or not. So how to get rid of these? I'm using the Matrix42 Package Robot for this, and I have started a script here. I'm starting the Windows Analyzer, this. So here we have the analyzer, and now I will drive into that window with the mouse, and what I see is that we have in line 3 already possibly the path of this program. Corel messages, roaming, app data. This is where I expect this strange thing, but we will take a look. And for this I will locate it with the yellow list by clicking with the right mouse button. I will insert the Windows description into the analyzer. Now I don't need this line. So this is, funny enough, an Internet Explorer server control. This displays really a website. And we have here a very simple top window. So let me see if we have the right window anyway. I click play. The mouse should now drive into this window. Okay, it drives directly into the window. This means we have the window. So now there is a command that's called get Windows file. Just need to check. I expect that I get the file. Copy to clipboard. $. I make $. So the script has been running, and now let's see what's in my clipboard. Okay, here is it. So what I did is I made the get Windows file command. This gives me the executable that creates that window. And then I copied the path into the clipboard because the path was in this system variable from the get Windows file. And here is the result. Okay, I got it. And now I make here EXE, and let's see what happens. A window appears. This window appears. So that's what I wanted. This is the window where the EXE-File is. And this is the EXE-File that I don't want. So then I do the following. I close it and I rename it. No? Just give it an underscore here. So, and this should get me rid of all those useless messages.